Hey guys, it's Kelowna here, and I wanted to show you a super easy, fun summer smoothie that you can make. I make several variations of the same smoothie, but I love to have something light, but also something filling. And sometimes I just prefer to drink a smoothie rather than have breakfast or have a lunch with something that I need to cook or put together. So this is super easy. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. I use a Vitamix as my blender, but you can use whatever blender you have. And this is just a protein smoothie. And so I usually use frozen banana, and it's about a banana and a half, just depends. You can decide how much you wanna make and how thick or thin you want, and you can adjust these ingredients. So I'm not someone who typically uses like an exact recipe, but with a smoothie, I don't think you can really mess up. So I just add in about a banana or a banana and a half frozen bananas. And then I'm gonna use, in this one today, I'm gonna use organic hemp seeds. And so hemp seeds are just, they're great for getting essential fatty acids into your diet. I'm just gonna use about a teaspoon. I typically don't even measure, I just like dump them in. But they are just a powerhouse food. They're something that I like to use on a regular basis just for omegas, omega-3s and omega-6s, which we don't typically get enough of. So I supplement with those. And then I'm also gonna add some raw organic maca powder, and probably just maybe about a half teaspoon or so. I'm gonna add that in there. And maca is great for energy, and it's just a superfood. It's known as an adaptogen. It goes into your body and supports you where you need it. It can even help with hormone balancing, and yeah, anyways, super good for anybody who wants extra energy and extra nutrients. And then I use the Young Living Protein Complete, and I love this protein powder. This is the vanilla flavor. It also comes in chocolate, which is fun too. But I've been preferring the vanilla more lately, and I'm kind of down to the end of the bag here, but I just add 2 scoops of the Pure Protein Complete. And then I add almond butter. So I got this just from my local health food store. Sometimes I'll use raw almond butter. This is like a roasted almond butter that you make, you know, you kind of grind up yourself, but see, I'm not really totally measuring, but it's probably about a tablespoon. And then the other thing that I use is, this is a really fun ingredient. So Blue Magic is a type of spirulina, which is a super healthy form of algae that supports our body with inflammation, cognitive function, energy, and lots of other things. What else does it say on here? Vitality, endurance, joints. So I love Blue Magic because of what it does for me, but I also love the color that it makes. So normally this smoothie would be kind of a white color, which is awesome. The other thing I'm gonna add is almond milk, but this, when you add the Blue Magic, and it's from E3 Live, and when you add this, it turns the smoothie like an aqua blue color, and I'm kind of toward the end of the bottle. It comes with a little scooper in it, but I'm not using the scooper because when you reach down in there, your fingers get all blue. So you can add, just depends on how much you want or how blue you want to make it, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks so cool. And then I use, our family soaks almonds overnight, raw organic almonds. We soak, so I'll maybe soak, I don't know, about a cup or 2 cups, and then fill this with water and leave it out on the counter overnight. And then I rinse them because the water gets kind of murky, so you rinse them, and then you add them to the blender with like twice as much water or more, and then strain it through a cheesecloth or an almond milk bag and make your own almond milk. It is so delicious that you'll have a hard time going back to like boxed milks if you do soy or rice or almond in a box. But whatever kind of milk you want to use is totally fine. This is just what our family uses. So I usually pour in, I don't know, whatever that is, about a cup of almond milk. And then I'm just going to blend it up and show you what awesome color this looks like. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to make this delicious protein shake that you can have for breakfast or lunch or anytime. And look at this cool color, you guys. Oh my gosh. And you could add more blue magic if you wanted to make it even more like aqua blue color. But look how pretty that is. And then I just add in my little glass straw or stainless steel straw, and I'll even take it with me in the car when I go to pick up my kids or whatever. So super easy breakfast, lunch, packed with superfoods and nutrition. Enjoy.